When you've been in a relationship for a while, it's easy to let things go stale. You're so comfortable with each other that everything just becomes a breeze, and then you kind of slide into a routine that works for you both, and it's understandable. But every now and again, you need to take the time to reassess what could be improved or reduced, or things that could be changed. So to keep things spicy is always a good idea to freshen up that routine. It doesn't always have to lead you to the bedroom, bathroom, or even outside. What's important is that you are continuously developing the appreciation for what you have in the relationship. Now, if things are just starting to get hot and heavy, then it's helpful to have some great suggestions. Here we go, like and subscribe. The simple things that you do. Sometimes it's just your little quirks, your morning routine, and those daily activities that really make your man super hot for you. You know what it is. When you wear his t-shirt, it could be when you stretch to reach things, or even just yawning. Those are the things that are uniquely you. They make you seem extra cute, and it's an instant turn on for him. It could be playing with your hair, maybe your hair is wet, you've just got out of the shower, and he finds that sexy. Getting in some self-care. One of the things that men love to do is appreciate a good-looking woman. It could be a new hairstyle, it could be a bit of pampering at the gym, or a fresh manicure or pedicure. He will appreciate the effort, especially when he knows that you are doing it for him. Not only will you feel better about yourself, but you'll also exude the confidence that will be an instant turn on. And that fresh energy will turn things up a notch. You'll treat him better, and when that happens, he's more likely to be turned on by you. If you are constantly nagging or berating him, you are just tearing him down and not building him up. It's hard to feel in the mood when you're so stressed out. A lingering hug. There is so much that can be communicated with a hug. There are a few different types and they all send different meanings. The more intimate ones tend to be face-to-face, arms wrapped, pressing on each other, and letting it last as long as you want it to. There's no mistaking your passion with a hug like that out of the blue. Men are tactile creatures. It's how many of them express and receive affection. Touch has been proven to reduce stress and improve heart health. When it's more of a romantic nature, it actually triggers the chemical release of hormones that are closely related to pleasure and bonding. A simple hug. That special kiss. There is nothing more sexy than a woman who is the one to occasionally start things up. It's a well-appreciated gesture when you give the man of your life that sultry look, and then you top it off with a smooch. Now this is going to mean everything to him. And it's so important that you and your partner develop your own non-verbal communication. Those casual conversations. Oftentimes, we truly connect with our mates when we are just discussing everyday topics. When you increase the amount of personal questions, you also increase the level of vulnerability. When you're so open and honest with the man of your life, you can't help but feel closer, which allows the intimacy to grow. When you ask your man about what's going on in his life, it shows that you care. You don't have to understand every little bit of his career. You are just focusing your time, energy, and attention on him. You are willing to share new experiences, talk about great memories, and even make mention of the future. By sharing perspectives, you are able to understand different sides to each other. Your patience and great listening skills will show him that you are in it for the long run, and it will show him that you are truly valuable to him as a partner. Ask him about his desires. I get it, come on, it can be difficult sometimes to directly ask for what we want, especially with such a sensitive topic like sexual intimacy. But be willing to ask those honest questions and be open to receiving his responses. Now, variety is the spice of life, and with an open attitude towards these sensual discussions, you will be opening the floodgates of possibilities. A whole new world is yours, it's awaiting, you can explore it, and you will discover new ways to achieve satisfaction. Let loose. Those random bouts of fun are such medicine for the soul and for you. When your man sees you in your element, just purely enjoying life, it can be very refreshing. It's also a non-verbal way to show him that you are ready to relax. It's okay to laugh and to live a little bit. Your man loves to see you dancing and moving your body. By freely expressing yourself, you are opening the floor for him to get up close and pretty personal. He may even join in. And you can also choose to do a striptease for your man. Put on something racy and move with the tunes. It allows you both to live out some of those fantasies while still maintaining that sanctity of your relationship. And even if you're not a twerk master, you can still make this extremely enjoyable. Anything that involves the removal of clothes is a win to a guy, right? Plus, there's the most important factor, which is you. Switch it up. Allowing the element of surprise to spruce things up in your relationship is one of the best things that you can do. So let your hair down, try on some new clothes, invest in some new bedroom attire, send a sexy text, give him a genuine, thoughtful compliment. Give him a massage. For men, receiving support on all levels can be a turn-on, but there's nothing better than finishing a long day of work and having your woman soothe you with a massage. Of course, he wants to feel good. Your physical touch is ecstasy. He also appreciates the fact that you love making him feel special. You are tuning into his emotional and physical needs, and it's a major boost to his self-esteem. Pursue your health. It's nice when you want to take care of yourself. Eating right and getting that exercise in will help you feel and look amazing. Working out is an activity that you can both enjoy together. Again, seeing your body move can be wonderful, but another helpful factor is the sense of competition that it brings. Workouts can be that chance to rev up his energy and the testosterone. It's connected to his libido. Men are multi-dimensional people, and just as we women appreciate and accept love in different ways, so do men. You can spark arousal by making an emotional connection, a memorable experience, and even physical activities. Don't be afraid to get creative. After all, that's what makes each one of us so special. So take your stand and make your man feel like a king. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon, ladies. Goodbye.